everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be using some of my bloom material, not necessarily doing a bloom, but using my bloom paints, mixtures, and my cell activator. And we'll see exactly what I'm going to do. This is called a gesso board. I don't know, I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it says it resists warping, so I thought it would be good for you for doing a bloom. You know, it's got a hard, it's like using wood, and it's already gessoed, so I thought that would be pretty good. So I'm going to try it out. It's just an 8x8, which is a pretty nice size for a bloom, even though I'm not doing a bloom. So I mixed up my paints, and I mixed up kind of small ones, giving some small ones a try here. And this is this little Piggy Horizon, and that would be this little Piggy Horizon. And then I have this little Piggy Sea Glass. And that would be this one. This little Piggy Sea Glass. And then this is this little Piggy Nebula. That's Nebula. So I have those three already mixed up. And then I have a Liquitex, and this is Yellow Light Hansa. And I have some of that mixed up. And I have Atelier Free Flow, and this is Cobalt Turquoise Light. And that would be this color. And then I have Vivid Red, and that's also a Liquitex color. Vivid Red Orange. And Atelier Free Flow, Quinacridone Magenta. I'll put that over there, and I'm going to put that color right there. So those are all my colors. I'm going to move these out of the way right now. Get those colors out of the way. Get those piggies out of the way. And we'll move these over here. I was feeling a little daring today, and I decided to use my Sherwin Williams Color to Go. And this is white, but I did mix in a little bit of some red that was mixed in with some extreme Sheen and some other colors. Yeah. I took a chance on the background color here. Thought we'd go for a nice colored background, something different. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's go for it. Let's go for all of it. Just gonna pull out some of those little bubbles that I'm looking at here. thing. And I figured I would use, I'm going to use a white cell activator. I am going to use my titanium white, Amsterdam titanium white cell activator. So I think I'll start out with my Atelier Free Flow quinacridone magenta. And these paints were just made a little while ago. So I'm just going to put that down first. And we'll go with a little bit of that cobalt turquoise light. There. I think I'll use a little bit of that Liquitex yellow Hansel light. And I'm gonna put a little bit, this little Piggy Horizon. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Love that color. Maybe we'll put some of our Liquitex red orange on top of that. We have this little Piggy nebula. Which was one of my favorites when I was doing my galaxies. And now we have this little Piggy sea glass. We got some great colors here. Let's put on that cell activator. And let's grab that blow dryer. Did a lousy job blowing out, but I do love the colors. Okay, I'm going to put this on and let's give this a little spin. I know there's a lot of white in here. I'm not really thrilled about all that white. One more. One more hefty spin, and look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that shine. Amazing. Wait till I take you down to see this. These colors together are just spectacular. Spectacular. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to take you right in for this close-up. It's totally amazing. Whoops, I'm saying that word. I don't want to say amazing. This is a magical piece here. Just magical. I love the lightning that's striking from here. I love the colors. I love all my little, look at all that. One on top of another on top of it. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. If you're not subscribed, I would really hope that you can subscribe today. It's a pour a day. I'll be back tomorrow with another pour for you. So please wait for the close-up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Please be safe out there. Thank you for coming. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.